for the suggestion for Yonkyo and Yonkyo. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to show Yonkyo from the wrestling clinch. I have an underhook on this side, he has an underhook on this side. I'm starting to work down the wrist. I want wrist control. Now there's so many reasons I'm doing this, whether it's a duck under or whatever, but I'm getting the top of the wrist here. Now, staying here, okay? Now, this is where Yonkyo takes into account. We're going right against the pulse point. Yeah, you are. You all right? Isn't that crazy? Now, the thing is, when my teacher would do this movement to me, it feels like a shot going through the body. I'm here trying to get that wrist. I'm going underneath, just like we did with Sankyo. We have Sankyo. I'm going pulse point. Down. All right? Yeah. There we go. And this is a good stretch for your radial nerve, everybody. Here is the Sankyo. And I can get it all the way around here, but basically I'm going to the pulse point, and what I'm doing is, I can't grab like this. That gives me no leverage. I'm letting this little point go forward. So I have all my power. The grip is with the little fingers, and it's pushing this forward. I'm using that point right on their pulse point. So as I'm here, I'm keeping that open, and I'm keeping do you see? You can't do it like this because when I close that up, this isn't forward. I have to push this forward. I'm using all of here with the grip. And I'm using my entire body, whatever stance it is, to come forward, and I'm using my entire body. And believe it or not, when I was doing this move with Troy, just like my teacher would do to me, I'm doing like a 2 or 3 out of 10. You can really put a lot of power into this.
And just incidentally,
yeah,
the katana grip.
Yes, it is the katana grip.
It is. It's tighter with these fingers, and it gets lighter as it goes forward until this one, sometimes in some styles, is extended, and that's part of it.
Troy just gave a huge thing that I would have forgot. He's absolutely right. That is the katana sword grip. That's really where this comes from. My teacher would get here and go here with me, and he'd just get it from a two-handed grab. This is another technique where people see this and they're like, nah.
Pain compliance is a big thing.
It works. You just cannot resist this move. It's very, very powerful, okay? It just, once you feel this,
I'm going to try to resist it. I'm just going to.
This is resisting the front. I may not be able to get the front, but you all right? Yeah. Because this really, okay, good, I like that. He was resisting it. This is not really the traditional Yonkyo because I'm not getting the correct pulse point. It's generally back here on the side. Yeah. Right,
into here where this is actually, if you've ever studied Chinese medicine at all, this is the heart meridian coming right through here. It actually comes this direction, and there are 3 points right there in a row.
Yeah. See, I didn't know that. That's fantastic to know that. But this movement is very, very effective. And you can get it from so many different positions if I get a hold of a wrist. But I really like to get the technique from the clinch from Sankyo to Yonkyo.